Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. And the today topic and that is going to be very interesting. And this is all about the security posture management, how to handle or secure our Active Directory environment, the threats. As an Active Directory admin, we understand how critical the Active Directory service is, and this is our duty to protect our environment so it can be healthy and run smoothly. So I have taken many examples since I was working to mitigate multiple threats, vulnerabilities, which I found recently, and I thought of creating a portal which can scan our entire Active Directory environment, also the Entra ID environment, and let us know what are the biggest threat which we have currently in our Active Directory, so we can mitigate on time. So this is something the portal look like, and I have included the key features to add in. Still, I am working on this, but I need your review feedback. How does it look like? And if there is any amendment or suggestion, what do you have? Please let me know via comment or email. So let me go through what and all it will do. I have Visual Studio which is running in the backend, and this is Visual Studio. I have incorporated my PowerShell script as well, so it can fetch the relevant information from Active Directory with the minimum privileges. I would recommend you to use this in POC environment or any lower environment or test environment, not in the production one. And once you are satisfied and you know the better result, it can be beneficial for you. Of course, you can use it for the production, but again, with minimum privileges, so it's not affecting our environment. So this is the code, and it's very lengthy. I'm going to share this code in the description box, but sometimes the description box does not allow to copy the complete code, so you can email me and I can share this code with you. So this code I have generated, let's execute this. I think this is already running because I was working on this. Let's turn it and rerun. Okay, it is starting. LDAP, MSAL, it's creating all the packages in the backend. Okay, so this is started now, and since there is no link, this is my lab environment. So I'm testing on the local machine. I got the port number that is 3000. Let us go the same code, the same URL I'm using. Let's refresh. Okay, so before we move on, I will draw your attention how to use this tool. There are two tabs, security audit dashboard and directory connectors and status. So first you need to connect your Active Directory environment. You can use the LDAP or secure LDAP. This is domain controller FQDN you have to give, or the IP you can use, and the domain DN you have to provide here, and then any service account with minimum access you can use, and the service account password. And once you are done with this, then simply test and save credentials. It will show you the status, connected, not connected, or if there is any error. So I just randomly use anything. The connection request failed. It is not connected now to my Active Directory environment. And another one, which is Microsoft Entra ID. So here you have to give your tenant ID. Then there is one more requirement. You have to register an application. We start with. And once you are done with the registration of application, then give the code here, the client ID, and also generate a client secret code from Azure portal, and you can put the code here. And once this much information is provided, and then test, it will show you the status, connected, not connected, authentication failed. Of course, it is going to fail because this is not the correct information. Coming to the main part, so this is kind of Copilot AI, and as you can see, AI is also incorporated, so it can answer the basic question what we have. You can chat only about these features. So these are four key components of the security parameters I have added in this audit, and you can enable one, two, three, four as per your demand. So the first one, that is the roasting vulnerabilities. It will scan all the SPNs or user accounts, and also if any account which is still using RC4 encryption, it will flag all those accounts here, and later you can download them and fix them. The next one, that is ASREP roasting audit. This is, it will identify all the accounts with pre-authentication disabled. So this is kind of the vulnerability which we have. So what does it do? It will impersonate the user ID and cache the credentials. So hacker can easily guess the key, and without any ticket they can hack the account and destroy our Active Directory environment. So it will fetch the information for all the accounts. The next one, that is highly important, unconstrained delegation. So it will audit all the unconstrained servers delegations which we have in our environment, and you will get the complete list of all the objects over here. The next one, that is conditional access policy. It will scan, audit all the policies for MFA and legacy of authentication which being blocked, and it will let you know the complete list. So these four features are added, and the next video I'll incorporate how the results look like. I'm going to integrate this with the Active Directory and fetch the relevant information. But let me know how it is, and if anything need to be amended, incorporated, or any suggestion or feedback before taking it into the production. If any additional feature or vulnerability, the audit criteria you want me to add over here, I'll work upon that and add into this portal. So that's all in this video, and let's catch up in the next video with real. Thanks for watching.